All right, so I got my first flip item. It's right here. I just got this. This is a random, mysterious alt fragrance. I don't know what the scent is. So we got Mohair number 18. I have absolutely no idea what this is. Mohair number 18. Let's find out, Mr. Mohair. I just spray it right on this box. So as you don't know, this is an extrait to parfum. Let's see if I can show you the atomizer. It's okay. Gets the job done. That is green iris tweed. Yeah, you get that beautiful green vibe. For those of you who don't know, Creed made this amazing, fresh soapy, kind of almost like Green Iris Spring, the soap, in a fragrance. It is gorgeous. Also have Davidoff Cool Water. Smells exactly the same. I'm pretty sure it's the same perfumer. That's what this smells like. Yeah, you get that very green, fresh, very classy. This is old money vibes to the max. You get that gorgeous, sophisticated scent. This is perfect for the office, perfect for a classy event, even just perfect for a day-to-day. You could rock this all day. Again, it smells like Green Irish Spring. It's just a Irish Spring soap, super soapy, super fresh, super easy to wear. No one's gonna hate it. No one's gonna be like, oh, where are you smelling? Perfect, easy to wear. And again, this is a straight to parfum, so I expect this is gonna last a long time. Again, this is all first impressions. I have no idea how this is gonna perform, how long it's gonna last, but dear glory, let's put this on skin. Yeah, that's totally it. Oof. So I don't know what the cost is and I don't know what the performance is like, but if this lasts a long time and projects heavily, this would totally be worth a pickup because you're getting that Creed DNA, that Creed scent at a fraction of the cost. In fact, I did not pay, I think I paid 10 bucks for this because I got a special deal. So 1 ounce, $10, tell you what, oof.